Glovoro Nail Fungal Patches are being promoted as an easy fix for nail fungus, claiming to clear infections and restore healthy nails. But the real question is whether they actually work or just rely on strong marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Treating nail fungus, known as onychomycosis, is possible, and some treatments do help over time. However, here's the key point. Patches are not a standard or clinically proven method for effectively treating this condition. There are some surface-level positives. Simple, non-invasive application convenient alternative to creams or oral meds may help keep the nail area protected and moisturized. But that's where expectations need to be realistic. The biggest issue is effectiveness. Nail fungus lives under and inside the nail, making it hard for surface-level patches to penetrate deeply enough. Most proven treatments involve medicated topical solutions or prescription drugs. Another concern is lack of clinical evidence. There's little to no independent research showing that Glovoro patches can fully eliminate fungal infections. Most claims come from product marketing, not verified studies. There's also the slow nature treatment. Even with effective treatments, clearing nail fungus can take months, as the nail needs to grow out. Some users of similar products report minor improvements in nail appearance, but not complete removal of the infection. So, do Glovoro nail fungal patches deliver real results? Short answer, limited at best. They may help with surface-level appearance or hygiene, but they're unlikely to fully treat the underlying infection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.